Why are birds considered to be an evolution of dinosaurs? Actually, not all types of dinosaurs, but only some. Birds are direct descendants of theropods such as T-Rex, raptors, and several other species. Because birds have several similarities, such as starting from hollow bones. Claws and scales evolved into wings and feathers. The respiratory hip structure is similar to that of modern birds. The characteristics of theropod dinosaurs include being able to walk on two legs, sharp teeth for tearing meat, and eventually some became herbivores at the end of their evolution.